Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, November 14, 2024, 4 a.m. in the morning. We are going to Manila for field trip. As you can see, my son was very energetic in the morning and he was very happy. Right now 7 a.m. in the morning, we stop here for breakfast. This place located along the expressway to Manila. I and Steven, we love McDonald's food. We can take any day of the food from here. This place was maintained and very kept clean. After we had a breakfast, we walked to our minibus. This location maintained very well. They have plenty of franchise food available. So you don't worry about the food choice and you have enough parking space. So you don't need to worry about that also. The next stop, Children Road Safety Park. We arrived over here 8:45 a.m. in the morning. This place was very fun, at the same time very educational also. Along the way I learned few more things about the road safety.
Twinkle, twinkle, traffic light. What is the meaning of red light? What is the meaning of red light? Ah, very good. Good answer. Okay, again. Of yellow light. Slow down. Ang galing naman. Again. Green light. Oh, very good. Okay, kids. Thank you very much to you. Oh, remember, kids, triangle serve as how about the motorcycle race? Ayan! Bali mo na naman! Talaga naman! Pwede ka nang magpareho, ha? Okay!
After the learning, the children implement the rules and regulations in the road safety park. It was a good practice after learning. I highly recommend it. The next stop, Manila Zoo. It is a really fun place. Hi, how are you? Hi. Just only Royal? Cheese popcorn. How much it is?
70.
70, okay. Our next stop, Rizal Park. We came over here 12:45 p.m. For lunch, inside the park, you have plenty of shop available. At the same time, outside the park also, there is a lunch place available. It was a huge park, at the same time very beautiful. I was really underestimate this park. Yeah. Beautiful, right? What from? No worries. Our next stop, National Library. In this place, the staffs are very talented. They show their skill and the program in the auditorium really fantastic. I highly recommend for everyone. Do not miss the National Library tour. Close.
Para po sa pagpapasimula again, welcome to the National Library of the Philippines! Palakpak ulit. Thank you so much. Ayan. Para po simulan ang ating programa, narito po ang mga ilang paalaala na dapat po natin tandaan during ng ating session po na ito. Magsisimula po kami ng ilang minuto, tahimik po tayo. 1, 2, 3, wow, very good. Eh, sino naman yung lumilipad? Kalapati. Paano yung kanta ni Kalapati? Wow, very good. O, sige na. Sino yung magbibigay ng aral na natutunan niya sa ating kwento?
Kaibigang tunay, nagtutulungan, maraming salamat mga bata.
Naku, wala palakpakan? Very good.
Our last stop, Palm Coast Adventure. In this place, children can inspire by the science and the discovery and the human achievement over the history of mankind.
Group yourself into three.
In space. Not only that, this expansion causes the wavelength of the light to stretch out so much that it fades away before reaching our eyes. Just like a light coming from a torch can't go beyond a certain distance. Another reason space appears dark is because light can travel at a specific speed. And as most stars are located far, far away from our planet, the light coming from them is yet to reach us, or it might die away even before arriving at our planet. But then, what about the stars closest to our planet? Well, you won't believe it, but after our Sun, the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, is actually more than 4 light years away from us, which is about 25 trillion miles away.